Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the LG dishwasher not starting in 2026. So a dishwasher will not start unless all the startup conditions are satisfied. This includes the proper power unit, door fully latched and control system ready to run. So if anyone fails, the machine stays inactive. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to simply check the power source under load. Also, you need to check the circuit breaker. The dishwashers can lose power partially without obvious signs. After doing so, you need to verify the door latch engagement. Make sure that you close the door firmly and then you need to listen for a solid click. If the latch does not engage fully, it means that the dishwasher is not going to start. Now, after doing both of these things, if everything is working fine, but in your case the issue still persists, what you can do is you can just simply do a hard reset. In this hard reset, you just have to first of all turn off the breaker instead of unplugging it. After that, simply wait for at least 5 minutes and then plug it back in. This fully resets the control system. Now you need to also take a look at the CL or the lock icon on the display. If enabled, the buttons will not respond. Disable it by holding the correct button combination. Press different buttons if some respond and other don't. The issue may be panel sensitivity or partial failure. So you can try these methods and see if your LG dishwasher is starting again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.